Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. So in our previous videos so far we have learned about different letters in Arabic, different sounds in Arabic. So what are the different letters and different sounds? Inshallah today we'll be learning the words in Arabic. The letters come together to form words. Words come together to form a sentence. Sentences come together to form a paragraph, and so on and so forth. We get books and volumes. So what are the words in Arabic? So Arabic has simplified and has put all the words together in three categories. There are three kinds of words in Arabic. So what are those? We're going to learn today, inshallah. The first thing what we have to know is called an ismun. It's called ism. It's written as ismun. The second word is called a fa'al. A fa'al. So fa'alun. It's called ismun, fa'alun. And the third word is called as harf. It's called harfun. So we got ism, fa'al and harf. So we'll be learning what does these three means. We will begin with inshallah with the easiest word to remember, and that is harf. So what is a harf? Harf is a word that makes no sense on its own. So there has to be another word to come after it to make some sense. So harf is a word that makes no sense on its own, and it has to be another word. Let me give you an example. If I just say to, doesn't make any sense. If I just say in,